Visiting a factory. Unit 3. Key sentence patterns. The machine gives you an edge over your competitors, I guess. First, we'll take a look at the workshop which produce food thermometers. Please, this way. Are the batteries in it made by your people? Welcome to our factory. We've been able to improve our production methods since the last time you were here. The computer system helps us check productivity. My associate and I will be interested in visiting your factory. This is our office block. We have all the administrative departments there. Down there is the research and development section. Could you give me some brochures for that machine? Does the plant work with everything from the raw materials to the finished product? All products have go through 5 checks in the whole manufacturing process. Pop conversations. Schedule the visit. Conversation 1. Welcome to our factory. I've been looking forward to visit your factory. Actually, you'll know our products better after the visit. I will show you around and explain the operations as we go along. That will be most helpful. Maybe we could start with the design department and then we could look at the production line. How much do you spend on design? Development each year, about 10% of the gross sales. That's fine. Conversation 2. We are proud and honored to have such a distinguished group of guests under the leadership of the head of the delegation, come all the way from the United Kingdom to visit our company. It's our pleasure too. Our staff and employees will do their best to make your visit comfortable and worthwhile. Thank you very much. May I ask a question? Yes, please. Do you mind telling me about the arrangement of our visiting process? No, of course not. Today, our sales manager will introduce you to our newly built plant and research center. Please do not hesitate to ask me questions you may have. Thank you. I want to extend my warmest welcome to all of you and sincerely hope that your visit here will be worthwhile and meaningful. Visit the workshop. Welcome to our factory. My name is Jiang Hai, and I will show you around here. First, we'll take a look at the workshop, which produce food thermometers. Please, this way. Has all the work done by men been replaced by automatic computers? Yes, it has. Excuse me? What is this? This is a circuit board. Are the batteries in it made by your people? No, they are from other factories. What kind of batteries is it? It is lithium, which can be used for over 3 years. Introduce changes in the factory. Conversation 4. Do you remember Mr. Zhao, our factory director? Of course. Good to see you again, Mr. Zhao. Good to see you, Mr. Bush. Welcome to our factory. Thank you. I've heard that you've been changing the factory. Yes, we make many things better now. We've been able to improve our production methods. Since the last time you were here, we changed from batch production to flow production. That's sure to improve your efficiency and productivity. We also have computers helping us as part of the production system. Right. The computer system helps us check productivity. Let us show you around the factory so you can get a good idea of how things work. Introduce the factory. If you are staying here for a few days, we'd be delighted to see you at our factory. It's very kind of you to say so. My associate and I will be interested in visiting your factory. Let us know when you are free. We'll arrange the tour for you. Thank you. I'll give you a call this afternoon to set the time. There's nothing like seeing things with one's own eyes. That's for sure. You will know our products. Better after the visit. I'll show you around and explain the operation as we go along. That'll be most helpful. The several days later. That is our office block. We have all the administrative departments there. Down there is the research and development section. How much do you spend on development every year? About 3% to 4% of the gross sales. What's that building opposite us? That's the warehouse. We keep a stock of the faster moving items so that urgent orders can be met quickly from stock. If I placed an order now, how long would it be before I got delivery? It would largely depend on the size of the order and the items you want. It was very kind of you to give me a tour of the place. It gave me a good idea of your product range. It's a pleasure to show you our factory to our customers. It's a pleasure to show our factory to our customers. What's your general impression, may I ask? Very impressive indeed, especially the speed of your NW model. That's our latest development, a product with high performance we put in on the market just 2 months ago. The machine gives you an edge over your competitors, I guess. Certainly, no one can match us as far as speed is concerned. Could you give me some brochures for that machine and the price if possible? Right, here is our sales catalog and literature. Thank you. I think we may be able to work together in the future. Conversation 6. How large is the plant? It covers an area of 75,000 square meters. It's much larger than I expected. When was the plant set up? In the late 70s. We'll soon be celebrating the 30th anniversary. Congratulations. Thank you. How many employees do you have in this plant? 500. with running on 3 shifts? Does the plant work with everything from the raw materials to the finished product? Our associates specializing in these fields make some accessories. Well, here we are at the production shop. Shall we start with the assembly line? That's fine. Put on the helmet, please. Do we need to put on the jackets too? You'd better. To protect your clothes, now please watch your step. Thank you. Is the production line fully automated? Well, not fully automated. I see. How do you control quantity? All products have to go through 5 checks in the whole manufacturing process. What's the monthly output? 1,000 units per month now, but we'll be making 1,200 units beginning with October. What's your usual percentage of rejects? About 2% in normal operations. That's wonderful. Is that where the finished products come off? Yes. Shall we take a break now? Conversation 7. It is a great pleasure to have Mr. Phillips with his delegation visit us today. It's also our pleasure. I hope you can get a picture of what our business is from my introduction. Now, may I say a few words about our company? Yes, you may begin. Our company was established in 1982. We specialize in manufacturing electronic goods and exporting them all over the world. We gross about 10 million US dollars last year, and our business is growing steadily. Our offices are in Asia, North of America, and Europe with about 1,000 employees, and we are working diligently to serve the needs of our customers. Your company really has strength. In order to further develop our overseas market, we need reliable agents to market our products. I hope you will seriously consider doing business with us. Thank you. We will consider it seriously and give you a satisfactory answer as soon as possible. Visit the factory. Welcome to our factory, Mr. White. Thank you. I've been very impressed by what I've seen. I know the factory is operating at full capacity. Yes, we've received plenty of orders, both for home needs and for export. Is any work done by subcontractors? No, we are fully self-sufficient. We have laboratories. We have laboratories, quantity control department, and packing development all there. We have laboratories, quantity control department, and packing department all here. Have you been producing this new model for a long time? Yes, but we've introduced new technology and started a new model last year. Our designers always keep up with the state-of-art technology. Is the staff of engineers big? Totally, we have about 300 design engineers and production engineers. How do you ensure quality control, Miss Fang? Well, it's done by the quality control department. Do you also check the packing? The packing? Sure, but we've recently started to use packing companies too. I hear there is on-the-job training program here. Yes, our staff training department is responsible for this. The factory's social facilities are very good, I must say. Yes, we give a lot of attention to the workers' welfare. Do you have a medical center here? Yes, it's open round the clock. My pleasure. Welcome to our factory again. Conversation 9. Good morning, Mr. Green. Welcome to our factory. Good morning. I've been looking forward to visiting your factory. Maybe we could start with the production line. Yeah, sure. That would be fine. Is the production line fully automated? Yes, almost every process is computerized. What's that? These drawings on the wall are process sheets. They describe how each process goes on to the next. How do you ensure quality control? All of our products have passed safety certifications in European countries and the United States. We have strict quality supervision system, and all products have to pass strict inspection before they go out. If your products are of such high quality, then the price must be high. That's not the case. In order to keep our price down, we try to cut our costs wherever possible. The product gives you an edge over your competitors, I guess. May I take pictures which I will send to my colleagues? Of course you can. You are so kind. Thank you very much. Hope we can work together. You're welcome. I hope so. Word service station. Assembly line. Painting factory. Factory director. Planning department. Forklift. Production department. Grinder. QC section. Lathe. Stamping factory. Molding factory. Work cell. Assembly line. Painting factory. Factory director. Planning department. Forklift. Production department. Grinder. QC section. Lathe. Stamping factory. Molding factory. Work cell.